Hello everybody, welcome back into Talking Fitchburg. We are back in one of our favorite locations in all of Fitchburg. It's the Rolling Pin Bake Shop, and I'm back with Tanya again. Thanks for letting us come down to the shop.
Thank you, Preston.
Oh, it's our pleasure. We love coming down here right off Fish Hatchery Road, just down the street from where we're at on Lacey. So easy for us, and it's kind of nice to get out of the office, come in here. It smells so good and delicious, and I get to look at all this awesome food, which you're going to show us how to make one little simple, easy summer dessert today, and it's a summer shortbread.
True. Yes. Correct.
All right. So you take it away. You show me everything I need to know.
Okay. You probably have your own wonderful shortbread recipe, your family recipe. There we go. So, grandmother.
That's right. It's called Grandmother's Best Shortbread.
Okay, well, we can use your grandmother's shortbread.
She's going to be very excited about that.
That's true.
So,
what I did bake some shortbread in shape of heart.
Does it look beautiful?
It's a beautiful.
Yeah, everybody
shape.
loves summer love,
Yes.
right? Summer love.
Summer love.
There
That's a good saying. Yes. And for this particular dessert, we're gonna use 3 shortbreads.
Okay.
So, a little bit of buttercream, or you can use cream cheese frosting.
Okay.
All right. You can buy it.
You just buy
in
it
the
all
can.
together. All right.
Yeah.
Are we putting any special flavor? Just
vanilla.
Vanilla
Probably
flavor?
vanilla.
Wonderful.
Unless you want to fold it with raspberries or blackberries and make it very special.
But we're going to be getting plenty of that stuff
That is
right
true.
on top.
Yes,
Awesome.
we're gonna use a lot of fresh berries. So I got some fresh strawberries, blueberries from the farm, our flowers from the garden, and I also made some little marzipan balls.
Those?
Marzipan balls.
Okay. Those look really interesting.
Marzipan is basically almond paste
Okay.
with powdered sugar.
And it's super delicious.
It's super delicious. It tastes like almond candy.
So they're not, now, ladies and gentlemen, I might have thought, oh, it's a green grape. No.
No, it's not great. Yeah, you
Way
can
better.
use green grape. That's
Way
a
better,
good
though.
idea. But I decided to go with little touch of candy.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, well, we will start assembling.
So we got flat shortbread on the bottom.
Flat shortbread on the bottom. And then it's very easy for everybody just to squeeze the bag with your buttercream
Okay.
and pipe it like little kisses.
Okay, just like the Hershey Kiss.
Yep,
Just going down.
exactly.
Put it out, bring it back up.
There we go.
We're not going for a swirl technique on this one.
Not on this one. It's a very trendy dessert right now.
This is?
You can find it on Pinterest or Instagram.
Perfect.
Lots of people do
Because
this.
I got to tell you, I got a lot of events coming up and I need to impress some people.
Oh, you will impress them.
Okay.
I think. So we have another shortbread.
All right.
Goes on top of this.
So now we're into layer 2.
Yeah, number 2. So we're gonna do the same thing.
Just kissing it
Kiss
all the way
it.
around. Summer love, right?
Summer love.
Just give it a little summer love
Yep.
from the piping bag.
There we go. All right. We'll do it nice
Oh yeah.
and consistent.
And it's like, it's okay on the first one if maybe it doesn't look so pretty because you're just sandwiching it
Yeah,
in there
exactly.
anyway.
Nobody's gonna check. Oh, Preston, did you make it perfect?
Oh, you get a second
Are you a
chance.
pastry chef?
Well,
Okay.
they're going to think so after they see this, I'll tell you.
Well, there's another shortbread goes
All
on
right.
top.
Layer 3, ladies and gentlemen,
Layer
if you're
3.
keeping count.
So, beautiful already, right?
It is.
You can skip the berries and just powder sugar maybe
Okay.
if you...
But not me.
Don't have
I need the
time.
berries. I got to have the berries.
I need the berries too.
I love the
So
fresh
let's
fruit.
do the final touch.
And if you're real crazy, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to say, you might even be able to go 4 layers high.
4 layers, oh my God,
Yeah.
higher is better, right?
Tanya says I'm getting a little crazy, I think,
Oh.
but 3 is probably the prime height.
I think 3 is just perfect
Okay.
number. All right, and now we can decorate the way you want it. I will just put some berries here,
Oh yeah.
berries there.
Just kind of plopping them wherever you feel they need to go.
Make it colorful and gorgeous.
Maybe if you have some people that are like into decorating but not so much into cooking, this is where they can jump in, give it a little artistic flair, if you will.
Look how pretty it is.
This is looking
Isn't
great.
it?
I'll tell you,
There's your
if I showed up to a
little
summer
flowers.
event with this. No one would believe me that I made it.
But isn't it simple?
That was
It's
so
very
simple. And we're done, right?
We're done.
That's it. So just like
That's
that,
your dessert.
a summer shortbread that will impress all your friends and
Everybody.
family.
There you go.
Jeez. And Tanya makes it look so easy.
Everybody
So
can do it.
Everyone can do it,
High
she
five.
says. Hey, high five.
We
This
did it.
thing looks amazing. So now you can try it out at home, follow along with the video. Again, make sure you come down, check out the Rolling Pin Bake Shop right here in the city of Fitchburg. Tanya, thanks again,
Thank
as
you,
always,
Preston.
for taking a little time to make an awesome dessert.
I love when you come over.
Oh, we love coming down. But we're gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna eat this whole thing by myself, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna wrap up the show here.
I
on
will
Talking
get a fork
Fitchburg.
for you. Thank you, Preston.
Thanks.